Our next speaker is Francisco Morales with SURF, and his talk is entitled iRODS as a Composable Building Block for Research Data Management at SURF.
Hello and good afternoon. I just want to give like a bit of context of how we would like to use iRODS, as the title says, as a building block at SURF for data management. A bit of context, SURF serves Dutch universities and research institutions, and we offer solutions to increase or to improve the research impact from these institutions. We serve different communities with different needs, computing data needs. And we also serve like long-term projects and also like things as short as proof of concepts. And all of them with different sizes, budgets, etc. We ourselves, we already have experience with iRODS, like we host iRODS and also Yoda that is based in iRODS, and we serve like several institutions in production, like long-term projects. One of the challenges that we have at the moment as SURF as an institution is because we want to move from dedicated rigid computing environments, for example, bare metal servers or virtual machines that might be not the easiest to deploy in some cases, to something that is more flexible, but also robust to cater for the different needs that we have from the different institutions and customers that we serve. And all of this in a timely manner. So this is not necessarily new, but we see that it can have a benefit. Like basically, we would like to use, for example, like iRODS in a more containerized solution. Container not necessarily because of a particular technology, but because of the benefits that it brings. You are also familiar with them. Like we are all familiar with examples in testing, in CI/CD pipelines, with high availability, with auto-scaling and other goodies that these kind of solutions bring. But at the same time, we know that there are still some obstacles, some challenges that we need to address, for example, at the iRODS level to actually make this possible, and it's that can be even better for everybody in the community. For example, the issue that we know that we have with host names that are attached to the iRODS container that makes it more difficult to allow for spawning more instances, for example, of an iCAD server that hinders at the end like high availability setups, or things like, for example, with a data transfer dies because an iCAD server dies, like what happens with that transfer? We are stuck with some intermediate replicates that we need to handle manually. So these kind of issues that at the end like get in between like the automation and actually serving the solution for the customers at the end, that hopefully as a community we can solve, and we can make use of these solutions or maybe other alternatives for a more automated, like resilient, robust, like platform that can cater for multiple needs. And if you have like successful environments where you already have solved this, let me know. Thanks.